package from China. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video, it's time to review, or better said, unbox and test out and play around with the Bluetooth LED speaker. So if you're into these Bluetooth speakers, consider subscribing because I have a lot more of these Bluetooth speakers coming. I have a pile of these different versions and they are all dirty cheap because I really like to check out the cheap stuff. This is a 10 watts that has 7 hours of playtime. It's from the brand Pulsar, here from the Action, but at the end we're having the same exactly speakers on AliExpress, for example. So I'll leave a link in the description, you know where to find these speakers. I did see a lot of these Bluetooth speakers, but I've never seen a lot of with the new Bluetooth version of 5.0. Has 25 meters of distance and having two 5 watts speakers. Alright, so let's take a close look inside and what are we going to get? Do we get the toilet paper manual? And of course the cable. What kind of quality do we have? Because we need to recharge the bloody thing. By the way, I can't get this thing open. Gentle, gentle, we need some time. Again, and again, and again. Alright, so let's take a close look inside. We're having the flimsy, very short micro RGB cable for charging. Alright, so remove the plastic. What's this? Oh, here we have the jack cable. We can connect with jack, so that's pretty awesome. So the first thing I'm noticing that this thing is pretty damn heavy. Here we have it. The unfoldable toilet paper manual. Yeah, whatever. Whoop, don't need it. Because I'm going to show you how to connect it. Alright, so the first thing that I did notice with this thing is pretty heavy. Yeah, I really like it. So, but overall, this thing has more like this rubbery compound. I don't like it at all. But I think this is more like an idea to give this thing a little bit more water resistance. At the top we're finding all the buttons to control the device. At the back we have the connections. We have USB, micro SD, aux, in for the jack and the on and off switch. And here we have some information regarding the product itself. It has a 1200 milliamp battery inside. Let's turn it on. Alright, we can find the bottom over here. Alright, so in the next step what we're going to do is activating the Bluetooth on my telephone. And we're going to connect it straight through the Bluetooth connection. We don't going to need an app because I really hate when we need to use an app. I just want to connect it with like a headphone. So very straightforward. When it's searching, it will get shown over here like a headphone. And that's it. Click it, connect it, and you're ready to go. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time to find it. And you're done.
Welcome to the Sorcerer's Lair.
If you want to use the jack cable, that's also very easy to do. What you're going to do is simply plug it in the back, plug it in your phone, and you're done. Yeah, and of course, I am always fine with the cables. Right, here we go. Put it in here. And we'll give you a little tune that it's recognized and automatically going to the aux input. Right, ready for it. Let's play some music. You can also use the micro SD function. Plug and play. So if it comes to audio and budget Bluetooth speakers, they always surprise me a little bit because some of these are sounding really crappy, but let's say the Bluetooth LED speaker with RGB, this thing is pretty cool. You need to consider if you like the RGB function, of course, because the flickering and all the stuff, and so far I know you cannot shut it off. But at the end, I think it's a really cool little speaker. It sounds quite good in the mid and high range of the audio, and it has a little bit of a bass. Of course, you cannot compare it with a subwoofer, for example, but at the end, I think it's a pretty decent product. It's fun to show you here on the channel. I hope you really enjoyed it and you have a better idea what you're going to get. So again, consider subscribing because I have a lot of these Bluetooth speakers coming up, and it would be great to have you in the Wicked family. Hit the little bell, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Thumbnail time! Oh yes, this is how I make it.